Jenny, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Philly cheesesteak in a very quick, very easy way. It's probably not the most traditional way to make Philly cheesesteak, but it's the way that I make it, so I'm going to show you how I do it. It's cheap, quick and easy. So I'm starting off by heating about half a tablespoon of oil in my pan. And I'm just going to let that heat up so that I can put one large onion that I've sliced and one large capsicum that I'm sliced in there and get them nice and translucent. I also have my oven switched on to 180 degrees so that I can put the Philly cheesesteak into the oven so the cheese can melt and the bun can become nice and soft. This recipe serves 4 and should take about 20 minutes to make. I'm going to be serving them up with some steakhouse chips that I've just bought from the store, and that was $2 for the packet. We obviously won't be using the entire packet, so it comes in a little bit cheaper. So now that my oil is nice and heated, I'm going to add my onion and my capsicum. So we're just going to allow those to sweat down and become nice and translucent and cook through, and then once we've done that, we can start the assembly. What I'm also going to add is a chopped, it's about 1/3 of a chili, so I'm going to add that in as well for a little bit of extra flavour, along with a teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these nice and cooked through, and I'll bring you back once that's done. Okay, so now that my peppers and onions have nicely cooked down, what I'm going to do is, this is the roast beef. Now this is just roast beef that I've purchased from the deli at the supermarket. I'm going to use this as my meat section. It's nice and tender, so that's why I like to use it. And I'm just going to mix it through my peppers and onions. I just want to, at this point I'm just wanting to warm the roast beef through. Now I'm making enough for 4 people, 4 servings, or 4 people. We'll probably have half now for dinner, half for lunch tomorrow. But you can scale up or scale down as you need to. This is a pretty easy recipe to do that with. Heat now, and I'm going to start assembling the Philly cheesesteak. So I'm going to move. Here I have 4 soft rolls that I just purchased at the supermarket. They came in a pack of 6. I'm going to use only 4 at this point. I'm just going to work out how I'm going to do this. So each one will be wrapped in a piece of alfoil, and let's start off with our first one. So I've cut each of the pieces of bread in half. I'm going to add some meat and some vegetables to each of them. And then I've got 1 cup of cheese here just to spread, just to put evenly between the 4. Now you would normally use provolone cheese for Philly cheesesteak, but I've only been able to get tasty here, so that's what I'm using. Okay. So I'm just going to close my sandwich like this, or my roll, and I'm going to wrap it in alfoil. I'm going to repeat this for all of the rolls, and then I'm going to put them in the oven for about 10 minutes just so the cheese can melt and the roll can become nice and soft. Okay, so here are my 4 Philly cheesesteaks all lined up on my baking tray. I'm going to bake them for about 10 minutes and then I'll bring you back and serve everything up. So here we go, Philly cheesesteak, chips, a little bit of tomato sauce. That's dinner done for tonight. I'll leave the recipe down in the description box so you can go and have a look at that. I'll tell you how much it cost me to make 4 servings. It might be a little bit cheaper for you, might be a little bit more expensive depending on where you live. I hope you like it. I hope you go ahead and make this, enjoy it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!